In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a stock eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to close out a position, whether you want to exit completely or just take some profit off the table. On eToro, selling a stock you already own is called closing a trade. This is different from opening a new short position, which is also labeled sell elsewhere on the platform, so we'll stay focused on closing your existing investment. Start by heading to the portfolio section. This is where all your open positions live, along with their real-time profit or loss. Take a moment to find the specific stock you want to exit. It helps to double-check the ticker and the amount you hold so you're certain you're selecting the right position. You'll typically see your entry price, current price, and P&L, which can give you context on what closing the trade will lock in. Next, click the stock you want to sell to bring up its position details. Here's where you'll find the controls to close the position. Look for the red X button labeled Close Trade. Clicking this tells eToro you're ready to close at the current market rate. You're not opening a new trade, you're finishing the one you already have. Keep in mind that market prices can move quickly, and the final execution price may adjust slightly due to the spread or fast market conditions. You'll now choose whether you want to close the full position or only a partial amount. Closing the full amount exits you completely from that stock and realizes your entire profit or loss. Choosing a partial amount lets you cash out a portion while keeping the rest invested. You can usually enter this as an amount in your account currency or as units depending on your view. Partial closes realize gains or losses proportionally, and any remaining position continues to move with the market. Be aware that platform minimums may apply when closing partially, and the system will prompt you if your input doesn't meet those thresholds. When you're ready, click Close Trade to proceed, then Confirm in the final pop-up. This confirmation is your chance to review what's about to happen, including the amount being closed and any applicable costs. After you confirm, eToro will process the close. If you close the full amount, the position disappears from your portfolio and your available balance updates. If you closed partially, you'll see a smaller position remaining, reflecting the shares or amount you kept. That's it. Simple, clear, and under your control.